Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can participate in the Solchicks IDO on Anypad. That is how you can invest in Solchicks, okay, so that you can be able to get part of the distribution of the Solchicks token after the IDO. And to do this, you need to be whitelisted and have you need to have been given allocation. Okay, so I already explained the requirements for joining the Solchicks IDO in the last video I made about the Solchicks. So but at this juncture, we all know that Solchicks is an 100x potential token, okay, and it will be listed on over 30 launchpads. Okay, that what it means is Solchicks can give you 100x of your investment on the IDO in the future. That is, if maybe after joining the I after joining the whitelist and get an allocation of maybe, for example, $10, that $10 can turn to $1,000 or even $2,000 after the launch. And if you're lucky, you get like up to $30, for example, your $30 can give you $1,500 after it's listed on an exchange, or maybe it can give you up to $3,500 after it's listed. Okay, so in this video, like I already mentioned, I'll be showing you guys how you can invest on the Solchicks IDO. That's after you've gotten whitelisted. Okay, so make sure you stay with me to the end of this video so that you don't miss out on anything important. Okay, but before we get into that, note that this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I'll be showing you guys in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Do your own due research before investing in cryptocurrency, and always invest what you can risk losing. So this is my YouTube channel, guys. I make videos about airdrops, cryptocurrency, and ways to make money online. So this was the video I told you guys about on how you can be whitelisted for Solchicks and how you can be able to participate in the Solchicks IDO, so that you can turn as low as $100 to $10,000, or $10 into $1,000, or even more in some cases. Okay, because Solchicks is basically the first of its kind on the metaverse, and I know at this juncture most of us have heard about metaverse and what the metaverse is planning to bring to the crypto society and to humanity at large. Okay, so this is a great potential project. At least that's what I think. You can do your own research before you plan to invest on it. So according to YouTube, more than half of those that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel yet. If you like my video, at least I think the best thing you should do is you hit that subscribe button, so that whenever I drop a new content, you won't be left out. Okay, and some of my contents are very time sensitive, so I would suggest you also hit that bell icon, so that as soon as I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you guys immediately. Also, this is my Telegram channel, okay, Crypto Airdropper. If you have not joined my Telegram channel yet, make sure you do so right now, because I sometimes I drop signals, okay, on tokens to buy. That's tokens that are doing well. So currently Anypad is saying, is in the red. Okay, in the last 24 hours it's seen a drop of -26%. Okay, so you can buy this token right now. Okay, that's at least that's what I think you can get in. Even if you can't join the IDO, you can buy this token right now because it's very low, and before the next IDO comes up, it will obviously come back to its previous price, or even cross the all-time high. Okay, and by then you guys will be in a lot of profit. Okay, and as you can see, I also drop tokens, that's coins that have potential that you can buy and hold for long time, so that you can make profit. Okay, and other ways you can make money on the internet. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, if you've not joined my Telegram, make sure you do that right now. So without any further ado, let's get back to it. So for those of you that watched the video I made about the Solchicks IDO couple a day ago, and were able to buy the APA tokens, okay, they're able to buy and hold at least 25,000 APA tokens, which will guarantee you an allocation. And and we're able to fill out the whitelist form for Solchicks. So if you've done all that, all you have to do now is you need to open up your Trust wallet or any of the wallets you're using to access Anypad. Then you go to anypad.io. So once it opens up, you'll need to first change the network. Okay, click on the Ethereum icon at the top and choose Smart Chain. Okay, so you're doing this is the reason we're doing this is because the Solchicks IDO will be, as the payment for it will be on the BSC network. Okay, and you'll be paying with you'll be allocated BUSD, which you will use to invest in the Solchicks IDO, so that you'll be able to get Solchicks, and also the distribution will be on the Solana network. Okay, that is after the IDO has been completed, the Solchicks token will be distributed on the Solana blockchain. That means it will be sent to the Solana addresses you guys provided while filling out the whitelist form. So after you've opened up anypad.io, click on Launchpad. After clicking on Launchpad, will redirect you to this page. Okay, so on this page, all you have to do is scroll down and you click on where it says public pools. Once you click on public pools, you'll be able to see Solchicks. Then click on view pool. Once you click on view pool, it will open up like this. So if you were whitelisted, it will show here. Okay, it will show a tick telling you that you've been whitelisted, which means you will be able to invest. Which means you've been given maximum allocation, and you'll be able to invest on the pool. So I will tell you guys now how to do that. So at the time of this video, there's about 35 minutes to the IDO. That's approximately 35 minutes before the pool opens. Okay, so how do you go about this? Once the pool opens, okay, this place will turn green. Okay, it will change to green. Once it changes to green, you need to come over here and you click on it and approve transaction. That means you need to have BNB, that's Binance Smart Chain, on your Trust wallet, okay, which you use to approve the transaction. And you need to also have BUSD, which you use to invest on Solchicks. So once you click on the join pool, it will ask you to approve transaction. Once you complete that, you'll be able to allocate your BUSD to the pool. Okay, so this is very time sensitive. Make sure you're here when the pool opens, okay, because getting a guaranteed allocation does not guarantee that you can join the pool. Because sometimes if you delay even 5 minutes, 10 minutes after the pool has opened, you might end up not being able to join the pool because the pool will be filled up then, because they only have a maximum cap of 100,000 BUSD for the pool. Okay, and some people have maximum allocations, like large allocation. Some have allocations of up to 1,000 BUSD or even more. Okay, so if you delay joining the pool might fill up before you have the opportunity to join. Okay, so that's why it's very important you are here when the pool opens, so that you'll be able to approve it and you join in. Okay, and also, like I already said, this is very time sensitive. Okay, so if you want to keep getting updates like this, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've turned on notification by hitting that bell icon. Okay, so once you're able to invest or allocate your BSD to the pool, okay, after the IDO is complete, after IDO is complete, to confirm if you actually did allocate your BUSD, you can come over here to where it says your allocation. Okay, you click on your allocation, and here you'll be able to see the investment amount. So if the amount you see here corresponds with the amount you invested in the pool, and the ID, that's investment ID, corresponds to the ID of your transaction ID on your BSD wallet in Trust Wallet, that means you've successfully been able to join the pool. Okay, so once all that corresponds, that means you've joined the pool. And once the pool is filled up and the IDO is over, you will be able to come here and claim your tokens. Okay, once you come after the IDO here to claim your tokens, it will be here. All you have to do is you just come here and claim your tokens, and it will be sent to the respective Solana blockchains, Solana addresses you provided when filling out the whitelist. Okay, and I know some of us might not have the liberty to join the IDO, maybe because of the price, maybe price of APAL to hold is too high, because about 2000 or 1005 to 2000 USD is pretty high for some of us. Okay, and maybe we're not able to join this. You can still make profit from Solchicks by joining in early. What I mean by this is after the IDO, naturally it will be listed on exchanges, that's decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap. But in this case, it will not be on PancakeSwap because it's on the Solana network. Okay, Solana blockchain, that's Solchicks, so it will be on the likes of Radium or other decentralized exchanges that are based on the Solana blockchain. So joining in then very early, that's after the launch, you can still benefit from this project, because naturally after it's listed, that after I listed on a decentralized exchanges, it still pumps up, that the price still goes up, so you can still make profit then. And obviously this token seems to be a great seems to have great potential, so holding it for long term is still going to make you a lot of profit. Okay, and it's also a gaming token. Okay, and it's the first of its kind in the metaverse, so obviously it's going to do well on the long run. So I think that's all I have for you guys today. If at this juncture you've gotten value from this video, please hit that like button. It's going to do a lot for this video, it's going to take it far. And make sure you subscribe to my channel too, and share this with your friends and family. Peace. See you guys in my next video.